So here they have given a potential, Dirac delta potential, is attractive minus alpha delta of x. And they are asking uncertainty product delta x into delta px. For that, first we have to remember the wave function corresponding to a particle moving in a attractive Dirac delta potential. I hope you remember. This is the potential given v of x minus alpha delta of x. If this is the potential, I think the wave function, you remember, psi of x is proportional to e raised to minus k mod x. So if you take the normalization constant, that is whenever e raised to minus mod x is there, the normalization constant is simply the square root of that coefficient, that is root k e raised to minus k mod x. Once you got the wave function, we can find delta x. If you want to find delta x, first let us find the average value of x, which is x mod psi square dx minus infinity to plus infinity. Your psi of x is an even function and this x is odd. So overall the function, the integrand is odd and the limits are even. That's why this will be 0. From this we can conclude the average value of px is also equal to 0. So then we have to find x square average integral minus infinity to plus infinity x square mod psi square dx. So this can be written as 2 into, because of even function and the limits are also even, we can write it as a 0 to infinity x square, and that mod psi square you can write it as a k e raised to minus 2k x dx. Because already we have taken only positive region. Once you have taken positive region, there is no mod x, that mod x is equal to plus x. So that's it. And here we can write it as 2k. And here we have to use one integral formula, that is integral 0 to infinity x power n e raised to minus ax dx. I hope everybody remember this, n factorial by a power n plus 1. If you use that, here you will get a 2k and 2 factorial, that is 2 factorial by 2k whole power 3. So if you simplify, I think here you will get 1 by 2k square. So that is the expectation value of x square. Then go for expectation value of px square. So here we will use a small technique. I have told you the alternate formula. It is a h cross square integral dou psi by dou x mod square dx from minus infinity to plus infinity. Again same, this is, you can write it as 2 h cross square integral 0 to infinity dou psi by dou x mod psi square dx. Okay, so if you take the differentiation of that dou psi by dou x, what we will get 2 h cross square integral 0 to infinity and a differentiation with respect to x. I think you will get root k e raised to minus k x into minus k mod square into dx. So this value is 2 h cross square, and that is a k square, and k, that is a k cube. Okay, and integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2k x dx. So again here we will use one formula, it is same formula, 0 to infinity e raised to minus ax dx. That means if you take n is equal to 0, there you will get 1 by a. So by using that, we'll get a 2 h cross square and this is let me write here 2h cross square, and this is a k cube, and here it is a 1 by 2k, so k cube into 1 by 2k. So after simplification you will get 2 gets cancelled and h cross square k square. So once you got px square, then we can find delta x. Delta x is under root x square mean minus mean x whole square, which is root of x square, that is root of 1 by 2k square, and delta px is under root px square mean minus px mean whole square. This is under root h cross square k square. So once you take this product, delta x into delta px, delta x into delta px, will get k square gets cancelled, and finally you will get h cross by root 2.